So this is Broughton Waterbuffalo in the Test Valley in Hampshire. So we employ the natural system, so we don't bring in any chemicals, pesticides, antibiotics. End result being you end up with a very lean, very nutritious, healthy red meat, all supported by nature rather than sprinkling stuff on and grain feeding and all that. And that's basically a nutshell of what we do.
This is the water buffalo that I'm going to be using back in my kitchen to be doing a water buffalo burger. And I'm going to be serving that water buffalo burger with a Jugged Hare pale ale and jalapeno rarebit and some baby spinach, just in a nice big bun, served with some chips and some paprika aioli on the side.